Hey guys, welcome back to Mark the Point. Today we're going to play a ladder system. Now I typically do not teach ladder systems due to I think you could risk yourself and basically play yourself out of money. But in this case we're going to play it with limitations. We're going to put a cap of how many times we ladder this play. But it can be effective, especially if you're able to miss out on one and ladder up. And be able to get back into the action. So that does have ways of being able to play into it. But this is what we're going to do. This is going to be an outside ladder. Again, we're always going to wait to get a point established, we're going to be playing the outside. And when we say the outside, typically what we're talking about is the 4, 5, 9, and 10. This is considered the outside numbers. At this point in time, the 4 and 10 will pay me $50. The 5 and 9 will pay me $35. The goal, you know what? Get out the hand, right? It'll take several hits to get out the hand, but if you ladder up, if you don't totally get out the hand, ladder up. That'll help you boost your losses, and then you'll pull it back down once you get hits. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a point established. Let's roll it out. Okay, let's just say it hits the 9, right? At this point in time, we are going to semi-press, right? We're going to semi-press our money, okay? It'll pay 35. We're going to go to 35, put a quarter back into the rack. As of right now, you still have $75 exposure. If you hit a 4 and 10, I'm not going to roll it out. Hit a 4 and 10, we're going to press that one unit, put $50 back into the rack. Okay, now let's just say we don't get any more hits. We lose all of this, right? So as you see, we only brought back $50. What we're going to do is we are going to ladder it up. I'm not going to pull it out of there yet. We're going to ladder it up, okay? So we use here our $50 initially and ladder up to a $200 outside. It started off with $100. We're going to go to $200, okay? Now, what we're going to do is hopefully we get a hit. We do not ladder more than $300. We do not ladder more than the $300 because you're going to eat yourself, you're going to eat out of your profits, you're going to eat your bankroll up. If you continue to keep going without getting these hits, it's going to bust your bankroll, okay? We don't want to do that, but at this point in time, a perfect scenario is getting a hit on the 4 and 10 because that $50 will then pay you $100. The 5 and 9 will pay you $70. Still not too bad. It'll pay you $70, and once you get one of those hits, you pull it back down to $100 on the outside, and you're back down to the original. Okay. Again, super simple, a ladder system. We're going to probably play this for about 4 or 5 shooters and see how we do. I want to be able to show the ladder piece of it, so make sure I want to see if there's enough rolls to be able to show that. But we're going to roll this out. I have a $2,000 bankroll, and let's see if we can make some money on this outside ladder style system. Here we go. All right, we are starting off with $2,000. I have $1,500 in blacks and $500 in greens. We're going to get a point set. That's the first thing we're going to do. It's going to be a 6 to 8. So let's mark the point on the 8. Again, looking for an outside ladder. Starting off with $100 on the outside. We say $25 levels. That's $100 on the outside. Of course, you would have to have a VIG on some of these casinos for either pre-VIG, post-VIG. That's going to be a 3 craps 3. That's 2 horn numbers back in a row. And there's a 5, 3, 2. Perfect. Okay. That 25 will pay me 35. Let's go ahead and go up to a $50 bet. Sorry, a $35 bet. Excuse me. There's a 6. Okay. No help to me. Looking for a couple outside hits. And there's a 4. Okay. Perfect. That's going to pay me 50. You know what? I'm going to put $25 down. Put $25 back to the rack. And there's another 5. Okay. That works. Now that's going to pay me 49 or 50 for 1. I don't have any reds at all, so I'm going to have to play this out just like it shows. 25, 35, 45, $49. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like 50 now. I'm just going to put the rest of it back into the rack. Just like that. Okay. And there's a 10. Wow, we got a couple of outside hits. Not too bad to start off with. At this point in time, you do not ladder up. There's an 8, 5, 3. Okay. Turn the puck off. Come on, shooter. There's a 10, hard 10. Okay, looking for a couple more hits. There's a 9. Okay, well, it's kind of working out so far, you know. It always seems to work out when you want it to. It doesn't work out on the live tables like you want it to. Only on the practice rolls where you really make money, seems like. There's a Yo 11. I'm just kind of throwing these bets out there. Throwing the dice. There's a 10. Okay, I see what you're doing here. That pays me $100. You know what? I'm not going to ladder that no more. Or I'm not going to press that no more because my goal is to make $100 each time anyways. So I know I'm in profit at that point in time. So let's keep it going here. And there's the 527. Okay. All right, so here we go. So we're going to pull these bets back, right? And here we go, guys. That was just our first roll. First shooter. Let's turn the puck off. And we have an 8, 5, 3, right? So again, we are in profit, so we do not have to ladder up. So I'm just going to take that $100 right there and put that out there, okay? It's on the 8. There's a 4, okay? That's going to pay me 50. So I'm going to go out there for 25, put 25 back into my rack. Let's put it right here. And we have a hard 6, not on the 6. We have a 4, 3, 7, okay? Already there, perfect. So what's going to happen is I will pull these debts back. I did not get out the hand. I am still a little bit short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there. Let's get a point set first. Let's turn the puck off. Pretty simple strategy. You got to make sure you do not level more than 3 times, because what's going to happen is the more you level, the more risk that you're putting out there. It's just not a good suggestion, okay? Going to go out there for $200. Let's do this. Just going to go $50 on each, okay? Just like that. And that'll be my, this right here will be my know if we're back in profit or not. Okay, there's a Yo 11, looking for at least one outside hit. Looking for one outside hit. There's perfect. There's a 5, 3, 2. So that 50 is going to pay me 70, okay? So what I'm going to do is I've got one hit. That's about as close to back to break even as you can possibly be. And so we're going to put the rest of this back. As you see, we're probably about a quarter short here, but we do have some quarters here. So still probably back to break even regardless. And that's where you want to be, okay? There's an 8, 5, 3. Ladder to the outside. There's another 5. Pays me 35. I'm going to go up to a $35 bet. Put the quarter back into the rack. And there's another 5. Perfect. That's going to pay me 49. In this case, I have the dollar. 50 for 1. So let's do that. Make it look like 50. Put the 35 back into the rack. This way you kind of get onto that long roll. Everybody wants to get a part of that long roll. In this case, you are able to press it up a little bit. There's a 9. Perfect. That's the point. That's going to pay me $35. Okay. So make it look like 35. Put the quarter back into the rack. And if you see here, that's $50. That's $100. So we are back in the profit. And so that's where we want to be. It's a 6. Let's mark the point on the 6. 3 craps 3. No help to me. All right. Roll that thing over. Come on, shooter. 10. That is the hard 10. That's going to pay me 50. I'm going to make it look like 50. Put the quarter back into the rack. And 4, 3, 7. Okay. Let's turn the puck off. Now, again, just kind of always reevaluate where your rack is, right? So as you see here, to make it look like we haven't taken any blacks, and the blacks are still solid. Right here, that is $500. I just showed because the chip don't fit. So we are at 75. That's going to be 100. So we are still in profit. So I'm going to take that. This right here is basically everything that we have extra profit on top of what we're going to be playing with, okay? So let's take these 5 reds. I did set these bets up a little bit premature. Our puck is off. I probably shouldn't have done that yet. That's going to be boxcars 12. No help. And there's a 10. Mark the point on the 10. Now we are working our bets. Here we go. 9, 6, 3. Perfect. Pays me 35. Just going to make it look like 35. Put the quarter back into the rack. Come on, shooter. A 6, 5, 1. Not on the 6. A lot of people like to only play the 6 and 8. In this case, we are playing the outsides. That's going to pay me 35. That's a 5. Put the quarter back into the rack. Come on, shooter. Another 9, 6, 3 this time. Okay, perfect. Again, that's going to pay me 49. In this case, 50 for 1. I'm going to go to a $50 bet. Put the rest of it back into the rack. Again, still in profit. You got 75, 100 plus there. So that means we don't have to worry about laddering on our next one. There's a 5, another 50 for 1 situation. Perfect. Just like that. Make it look like 50. Put the 35 back into the rack. I love it when it works together on a rollout. I hate it at the real tables when it doesn't, right? You definitely have those possibilities. That 50 is going to pay me 70. What I'll do, I'm going to go 75 for 5. And I'm going to make it look like 75 here. Put the $50 back into the rack. Again, pressing it up as you go really helps you out, especially when you're hitting the numbers. That's a 10. Let's turn off the point. That's going to pay me $50. 25 there, 25 there. Let's get another point set. There's a 5. Got a nice roll here. All right, mark the point on the 5. Come on, shooter. And we have the 437. That's okay. Again, always look at your bankroll, where we stand to push off. Remember, starting bankroll. This is profit, and this is profit. So we're going to go back out there at $100, okay? That's where you want to be. The puck is off. I did set the bets out again. It doesn't matter. 4-1. Mark the point on the 5, and our bets are now working. Here we go. Come on, shooter. Yo, 11. No help. We have a 9-6-3. Perfect. Okay. Pays me 35. Make it look like 35. Put the $100 or put the $25 back into the rack. And 437. Okay. So again, where we stand, where are we at? Looking at our bankroll, original. This is profit and this is profit. So that's gonna be our $100 that we're gonna go back out there with. And now one more time, and we're probably gonna be hurting. We're gonna have to level it up because that'll kill away most of our profit there. Okay, 3 craps 3. I want to try to show it where it does level up a little bit here. 6 5 1 6, and that's aces. And 6 1 7. Okay, so well, maybe this is the spot, right? Okay, what's gonna happen here is, as you see, we only have $50 profit. Yes, it's profit, but just because of the nature of the video, I kind of want to show how this works out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a point set, and then we're gonna go out there for $200. Okay, it's gonna be on the 9 5 5 4. Okay, back on the 9. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go out there for $200, which would be $50 levels, just because I want to kind of show you how this thing can build up. Never go more than 3, because if you go more than 3, guys, again, that's too much exposure. There's a 4. Perfect. Okay, so Jen, just to show you how this works, that's $100. I got a hit. I'm gonna pull it all back down, and if you look here, we're back in the profit. We're back to our original bankroll, and we have a little bit to spare with the $100 out here. Okay, that's how kind of quickly it works out for you. There's a 10. Okay, so that's gonna pay me 50. Make it like 25. Put that one there. There's a 6 5 1. Don't help me out. And there's a 6 1 7. Okay, where are we at? Where do we stand? We are in profit. Again, you know what? Let's do it again. It's totally up to you. In my opinion, I would probably still go out there for $100 because you're at $50 profit, which is fine. I would probably still do it at $100. There's no reason to really level it up yet until after you're not in profit. Just because, you know what, just play it out. Let the game play. Let the game come to you. In this case, I would just say let's just play it out like it is. There's a 6 2 8. Hopefully you do get that big roll. There's a 10. Okay, that's gonna pay me 50. Put 25 in the rack. 25 on the bet. There's an 8 again, 6 2, and 5 2 7. Okay, well, my baby, this is our time now, right? So this is our time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the puck off. We're gonna get a new one set, go back out there, and this is our time that we ladder it. Okay, because again, not in profit anymore, really. So now we are gonna go back out there for 200, and never more than 3. Okay, don't want to go more than 3. And there's a 10. Beautiful, guys. Perfect, right? At 50, will pay me 100. I'm gonna pull it all back down. Okay, pull it all back down. Again, this really does kind of work out. And you know what? Let's just kind of show you. I do have these red chips here, but that is $50, right? That's $50. I'm gonna put that $50 right here, and guess what? We have our original bankroll, which is right here. We have $100 profit, right? That's why I'm not really worried about going back out there or reducing my bets. There's a 4, okay. Pays me 50, put 25 here, 25 back into the rack. And we have a 5, okay, 3 2. Pays me 35, looks like 35. This here comes back to the rack. Boxcars 12. Come on, shooter. And there's the 437. Okay, check us out. All right, so we're gonna do sort of the last shooter. This will be the last shooter that we go with. We are still in profit. So again, I hate to say it, we only have $50 profit, so it's not a ton, right? But we're surviving the table. The goal of this is to survive the $25 tables. what I am going to do is I'm going to take my $50 I am a profit. I'm going to take $50 of my original bankroll and only play with that, okay? Only going to play with that. This is probably going to be the last shooter. There's an 8. Did I already mark it? I can't remember. It don't matter. Let's just keep it on the 8. I don't think I ever turned the puck off. That's a 5, okay? So that's going to pay me $35. This goes back into the rack, and that goes there. Okay, that's another 8, 6, 2. That is our point. Let's turn the puck off. And it's a 9 this time, 6, 3. Okay. Come on, shooter. And there's the 4, 3, 7. Okay, you know what? Maybe we should have leveled it up. I don't know. But what that did was we played for, I don't know, what, 15 minutes, right? Played for 15 minutes. Again, I'm going to count it up just to show you where we are. I do know we're about $50 short from what I can tell. We started with $2,000. We have 500, 1,000. That's $1,500, which is what we started with. That's 25. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly what I thought, right? So that's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 75. We're down 25 bucks, guys. 15 minutes of rolling, doing a ladder system. We never really made it up to that 3rd level. We did make it up to 2. Never made it up to the 3rd level, but that's okay. You don't want to make it up to the 3rd level. Let's just be honest. The 3rd level is where you're really starting to butt clench a little bit and not really want to have to play that level. But here we go, guys. This is a roll. This is a ladder, outside ladder type system. I typically don't teach outside ladders, but it is a way of recouping money, a way of surviving a $25 level table when you don't really have a whole lot of money really to play out there. In this case, we did start with $2,000. I don't think you have to start with $2,000 in this case, but with ladders, that does get a little bit scary. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Got a shorter video today. I'm okay with that. Let me know your comments down below. Do you like ladder systems? Do you think they're good, bad, indifferent, or would you play them? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, mark the point. Stay awesome.